Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold made a big push up today, right at the 3% Fibonacci retracement. It definitely looks like a 3. It definitely looks like a 4. I probably would say it probably is a wave 5. Now, when I go all the way up to the weekly and monthly, I actually think this is a wave 3 of 3. So you never know. This could actually not even be a wave 5. It could possibly just be a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So definitely looking for pullback entries on shorter time frames. I 100% wouldn't even try to go short now. I think it's pretty obvious this is a 1 and a 2, so I definitely wouldn't be trying to short this. I would definitely not be trying to go long either. I would have to wait for a pullback at this point. I would have to see a pretty decent pullback and maybe even a break of structure to the downside on like the 5-minute time frame before I would even be willing to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. But I am definitely looking for longs at the end of proper ABC pullbacks, especially because of what I see on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the corner up here in the card, and also don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here below. So as always, thanks and happy trading.